Let's see 2 awesome jet-powered truck experiments. Creator Lavina uses sparklers as a power source and they're really cool. Are you excited to see these experiments? Let's do this. We're watching the first one. We suggest to enjoy watching these, but please don't try them at home. These videos are strictly made by professionals only. It is such a satisfying process. We're so excited to see the finished result. Are you ready for this? Why are these so satisfying to watch? It's not over yet. We have another one coming. They are using 50,000 matches and 4,000 sparklers for this one. This is going to be just as amazing as the other one. Lavina's experiments are way too cool. The experiment was tested along the riverbank. This is going to be fun, guys. The moment of the reveal. Which experiment was your favorite?